Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to use Mailchimp to send mass emails. Whether you're doing email marketing, launching a product, or keeping your subscribers updated, Mailchimp is one of the most popular tools for sending mass emails. Here's how to go from zero to sending a full campaign. Firstly, go to Mailchimp.com and sign up or log in to your account. Before sending anything, you need an email list called an audience in Mailchimp. You can import the list from a CSV, Excel, or Google Contacts, or manually add subscribers one by one. Go to Audience, All Contacts, Add Contacts, and either upload a file or type the emails manually. Now, you're ready to build a campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab, then click Create Campaign. Choose Email and select Regular Email. Name your campaign, and now Mailchimp will guide you through 4 key sections. To select your audience from, set your name and email address, subject, write a compelling email subject line, and content, which design your email layout. This is where you make it visually appealing and on brand. You can choose from pre-built templates and use the drag and drop builder to add images, buttons, text, and more. You can add merge tags like fname to personalize the email. Now click Preview and Test in the builder to see how your emails looks on mobile and desktop, and you can send a test email to yourself or teammates. Once everything looks good, click Send Now to deliver the email immediately, or click Schedule to pick a future date and time. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.